Yeah, so totally from overall my body I've lost. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I wanted to share an update regarding my 30 days weight loss challenge with PCOD. I started this challenge on 1st of September, and I know many of you have subscribed to my channel because of this challenge, weight loss challenge that I've been doing. So here is an update. So I am ending this challenge on 27th, that is today, 27 September 2025, in 27 days, 3 days before, because today is my last day in Bangalore. Not officially, I'll be coming for 2 more days over here to shift my stuff to the new city that I'm going to. But I will not have access to weighing machine. So I thought it's better if I checked this challenge over here. But that doesn't mean that my weight loss, fat loss journey has come to an end. And also, if you are wondering why am I looking like this, it is because I'm not well. I'm having sore throat and headache, and I am shifting to a new city, so it has been so hectic. I can't even tell you. But anyways, so I will start by saying that I was still working out until 3 days before I stopped working out, because I was literally I have been literally so busy. I've been really tired, plus I was not feeling well. I didn't had any energy. So I stopped working out. Stopped in the sense I took a break because of my health. But yeah, we will start again from day after tomorrow, the workout. I'll give my body a rest tomorrow as well, because tomorrow I have an early morning flight to catch. So anyways, and diet, let me tell you my diet के बारे में I'll talk about after sharing everything. So my starting weight on 1st of September was 81, कहाँ है दिख रहा है, 81.75, and I think last week I had checked the weight, which I had also posted in a short. It was 81.1. It is the same. There has been no change in my weight since 13th of September. So after my birthday, I have been meeting a lot of friends, and I've been eating out. So I have really tried hard not to eat absolute unhealthy, 100% unhealthy or junk food. But फिर भी, like this week I've eaten a lot of junk food, because back to back I have to meet people before leaving Bangalore. So yeah, anyways, but so ये जो डायरी में whatever the inches I have written, it's not written properly, so I will add pictures. So here will be on day 1, and here will be on that is today. So if you see, overall I have lost 8 inches from my body, and majorly from the midsection, which is the hardest part to lose. Especially when you have PCOD, it is the hardest part. So I will make another video in which I'm going to share, because I started this journey in June 2025. So I want to share what was my weight in June 2025 and what is it today, till today, that is 81.1. How many kgs I have lost, and what has been the inch loss, and how I have done it. I really want to share my journey, because I know there are people who want to do something but they are not able to do because they don't have that motivation. And so it's going to be absolute beginner friendly do's and don'ts on how to do weight loss, fat loss at home, and anybody can do it. So anyways, majorly I have lost inches from my waist, tummy, lower tummy and hips area, and also from below the chest, and yeah, below the chest. So below the chest I have lost 1.2 inches, and again from my waist, with waist is your narrowest part, I've again lost 1.2 inches, as you can see over here. And from my tummy I've lost 1 inch, which is really good. I'm waiting for my tummy to reach anywhere in 30s inches, like 38, 36, whatever. And from lower tummy I have lost 1.4 inch, which is, oh my god, I cannot believe that I have lost so many inches. Again, from hips I have lost 1.5 inches. Yeah, so totally from overall my body I have lost 8 inches in this month, which is absolutely amazing. And I'm so proud of myself because it wasn't easy to cook food, take care of everything while I'm shifting to an absolute new city and new state. And I've been working out. I tried to work out almost every day. I work out. Whenever I was not able to work out, I used to go for an hour walk, and I used to complete my 8k 7 to 8k steps after lunch, breakfast and dinner. And I will tell you as well on how you can easily do 8k steps at home, even if you are a beginner. I'm going to list down all these videos. And so if you want me to share first about how to complete easily 6k steps, let's not take 8k because there are beginners. So if you want to see how you can complete 6k steps easily, then do comment. If there is even a one comment, I will share a video. Yeah, so anyways, I'm really proud of myself doing this. I've lost only 650 grams. I know it's very less, but I've lost 8 inches and I'm really proud of myself because पहले भी मैंने like I started my journey. I used to do weight loss. I used to do control myself from eating and do everything, but my weight used to come down, but my inches didn't used to come down, which means I was losing muscle in this. But I think this time I'm losing fat, so I'm really happy कि मैंने like with everything I have tried to give my best. So anyways, from tomorrow till 11th of October I will be staying in a hotel. So I want to challenge myself. Rather, I want to see how much I can eat healthy by staying in a hotel. And I don't want to stop working out. Tomorrow I can't say I will work out or not, because if my health permits, if I am feeling better, I will definitely work out. But from Monday I'm going to start working out. I'll start from smaller steps. I'll start with walking or whatever I feel like. I'm not going to do very big, like weights and all. Of course, I'll not have access. So I'm going to start small and I will be back with a bang. So details about that on how am I going to decide about my weight loss, fat loss in the next challenge will be shared tomorrow. If not tomorrow, on Monday. But yeah, I'll try to share. So yeah, I mean, that's it for this today's video. And do subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. And please watch the full videos to know what I'm trying to say. Because sometimes I remember something and I am sharing it with you all. So please do watch the full videos. And yeah, see you in the next one. And I'm done now. I cannot talk anymore. So yeah, final bye bye.